between the stay piece. Okay, before I go on, I just want to say that the nature of the jaw articulation is a very popular question in practicals. So you guys have to know and be aware of all the jaw articulation nature in all 5 kingdoms of animals. The amphibian, the lizard, the reptiles, the fish, the mammals, alright? So when I ask what is the nature of the jaw joint articulation, it means which 2 bones form the jaw, which 2 bones articulate to give the jaw. For example, you've learned in a shark, what forms the jaws? Palatal quadrate and the Meckel's cartilage. These are the 2 teeth-bearing elements, right? These essentially are the jaws. So if I were to ask you, what is the nature of the jaw joint articulation for the shark? The answer would be? Perfect. So the same thing if if I ask, what is the nature of a jaw joint articulation in a mammal? The answer would be squamosal dentary. Okay? So moving on with the frog. The first thing you have to ID, which is very important, is the stay piece. The stay piece, as we all know, is an inner ear bone. It's right here in the red. See it? Super small. So even in mammals, like the inner ear bones are the smallest bones in the whole body. So hence they are small. So the next thing you got to know is the maxilla. So this is a frog skull. The premaxilla as usual here. The maxilla is the rest of the teeth-bearing elements. Alright? So this part here, maxilla.
Can you show the premaxilla?
Premaxilla will be right here. As usual, the front. And this part here, all maxilla. Okay? Now the next thing you got to identify would be the quadrado jugal. So if you people take a careful look right here, you'll find a suture, a line. So I'm going to pass this around. Do you see the line here? See it? See the line? See the line? See the line? Right here. See it? Stay piece. So that suture indicates a new bone. Alright? So this bone here is the maxilla. This bone here is the quadrado jugal. Clear? I repeat. This bone here, quadrado jugal.
So you can put either quadrate or jugal?
What's that?
Quadrate jugal?
No, it's quadrato jugal.
Okay.
One word. It's not quadrate or jugal. Okay? So this is the quadrado jugal.
Are we responsible for the suture name as well?
No. So this is the quadrado jugal, and the dentary is simply the lower jaw. So based on that, can anyone take a guess at what's the nature of the jaw joint articulation in amphibian?
Dentary, quadrado jugal.
Perfect. And yeah, when you guys list the order, right, make sure it's upper jaw first and then lower jaw. Alright? So it's quadrado jugal dentary.
Okay.
Okay? So that's all for the frog.